This is our handcrafted Haven web application. Yeah, so for the backend, we use the Prisma ORM and we use Supabase hosted on vercel. I guess I can show our schema too. So here's our Prisma schema with the user, the product, and the reviews. So here is our project deployed on vercel. Yeah, let me just open it up. Yeah, so this is the home page. So you have a button that lets you log in and start selling today and explore the marketplace. And then you have 3 buttons that will let you explore or to the browse page by a certain category. Just go to the marketplace. And this is what this looks like. The browse page. Okay. And then we have the login page. Yeah, we're using next auth. And we're just using like JWT session tokens. So that's how that's working. We're not using like database sessions. Just to show you that it works, if I go to the dashboard, so you see it doesn't allow you to see the dashboard unless you're authenticated. So this is what the sign up page looks like. Sign up, and let me just show you the errors. Okay, so there's like the front end side where we have an error. Let me just see if I can make something up here. So then it should give me an error. Yeah, password must contain at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number. So now if I do it again, okay. Okay, perfect. It was created successfully. So now, okay. Yep, I log in and it takes me to the dashboard. Here. Or was it here? Yeah, okay. So, well, I guess let's see, we can leave a review here. So we have like a component for the reviews, so it's reused here. And also in the browse products page, it looks pretty much the same. So here we can leave the rating and then also leave a comment. This is the best. And then it'll show a display of the reviews. So if I leave another one, this is so cool. Then it's a carousel, so it'll just show you the different reviews. Yeah, let me go to the browse page to show them that it's there. So just look at this one. So we got a review already. And then let me see if it works on the other ones too. This one doesn't have a review yet, but yeah, we can leave a review. So yeah, here's the overview page, all products, and then all artisans. And we can also from here list a new handmade item. Okay, so here we can view all the artisans.
All right, my name is Judy Hansen, and I'm going to showcase how we implemented Tailwind as our CSS or our styling, and also how we added pagination to our application. So let me go ahead and show you here how you can, if you have more than 8 products, then it will take it to the next page. And here you can see by clicking on the next arrow, it takes you to the next page. The page that you're in will be highlighted in blue, which is one of our main theme colors. And the page that is not in will be muted into like a dark gray color, and so on. In the page browser, we imported a component called pagination from the UI. So we created a component called pagination where we added the different arrows, and we created the way it's supposed to look like, and so on and so forth. and then we added it to the pages that we needed to import it into. So we imported it here. We made some changes to the functions that brings up the page. We added the search params. Here we go. We added the search params to it, and then we added it to the return HTML right here. And regarding the Tailwind is a third-party CSS library that you can use as an inline in the HTML. So usually you will have a Tailwind config, and then you utilize it in the global CS. And here you create the themes. Themes are the defaults that you can utilize throughout the application. So if you have the primary, secondary colors, you also have accent colors, and then you also have the root default, like the background and foreground, and this could be used throughout the application.
Once we log into our credential, directly we will come to our dashboard. Every artisan can manage their own product, but not others. We have an overview here. For example, we have 16 products already here and 12 artisans. This list is coming from the database with hierarchy with date. The last posted will be the first one here. And those are the top artisans. So our application calculates every artisans, how many items they got, and will rank them here, number 1, number 2, number 3. So when you go to my product, here is already, I have 5 products already from my artisan side. So this one artisan, but if we want, we can add a product by clicking this button. We will get this form. So we need a title. So these red asterisks are its required fields. Okay, we'll say this test for video, and we'll select categories, price, so that the system by itself will convert for us to currency. We need also some short description about our traditional product, so that users can easily understand what the product is. Put upload some pictures. So a user will prompted with these 2 alternatives. The first one is if a user have a picture or a video somewhere else in some website, directly they can put their URL of that picture, and they can upload it and create the product. But we have also another drag and drop method. So we try that one. So directly, if we click, we just from here. Yes. All right. So we have installed the uploading package, and we have also the API key for uploading. So when the upload was finished, it's already tell us there is uploaded image 1. Then we can create our product. So our product is already added. Here, as we can see, this one is added with a test for video with $27. The same thing we can do, we can edit this product in every field. Then we'll try to delete our product. Okay, so almost 2 products are deleted now. If artisan have a message, directly the message will be up here. And also, if something goes wrong, some help and support pages here, so that we can have plenty of information about the application and how we are going to solve any issues we have. Let's skip this one and let's sign out. Sign out will get us to the login page. as normal user visit our website directly. They come here and they can explore any products they have. And also here we can see we can search a product with their titles. For example, let's say we had a test. So this is test. The titles are test here. As the user clicks on the product, directly will go to the review page, as my colleague already showed how the review works. And also, if the user want to contact the artisan so that they directly share information, they can click here. And for every product, the artisan address and other necessary information are here. And also the user can email from here.
All right. So that is just how the project goes. And so I can just maybe complete by showcasing the challenges that we had in coming up with this project. And maybe I can pinpoint the issue with time zones. We struggled a bit with, because of the difference in time zone, we had to agree, but we were able to have a consensus on when we can meet regularly to to complete this project. So I can point that out. And also, when you are coordinating on a project, someone is doing one part and someone is doing the other. So bringing that together can sometimes be a challenge. I remember one time I was working on something and Mika was also working on the same thing, but we were able to bring it together and realize. And so Judy was helping us to always indicate that we are working, or indicate on the board what we are working on. And so I can say by working together on this project, we have learned a lot about collaboration. And I don't know if I think that would be about it. Yes.